Just going to quickly show you how to access the Google Meet therapy session invitation using your Scholars email or your own email. So for Legacy, the Scholars all have a Google Suite email. So all they have to do is sign into their email, and then in the search bar they can type in invitation, and they're going to be looking for on this side for it to say Hadassah Rivera for me, and then to look for something where the title says invitation for speech session. Then from here, they're going to see the invitation with the information. And when you scroll below this green bar, there's a little bit more of specific information. And that's where you are able to find the joining information and join Hangouts Meet. This link that you see that starts with meet.google.com is always the one that you want to click. Since for speech we need videos, so you can't join by phone. And then this will get ready, your camera will start. I'm just covering mine up right now, but it's connected. Through here you can see that my audio is connected. So it says ready to join. I'm going to ask to join, and either you will automatically be allowed in or you will be prompted to be asked to be allowed in. You can have your scholar or you as the parent just go to google.com, write your regular search bar. You're going to click on this waffle option, and that will take you to your apps. So you're going to go to calendar, and this is if your scholar has accepted the therapy session that they were scheduled for. So it'll be automatically connected to their account. So we can click on the session itself. Yours should be highlighted blue. And then all you have to do is click on the blue bar that says Join Hangouts Meet, and this will automatically open you up into the next tab that will prepare your audio and your visuals. So again, my microphone is connected, and also it shows that my video is connected, just been covered. So we are ready to go. We can ask to join, and then someone on the other end of the call will allow you in. That's it.